Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make this beautiful and super easy crochet headband together. This headband has a beautiful texture, is made by herringbone single crochets, and it has a twisted shape in the front that's placed at your forehead. I made that for adult size, but you can make it for each size you want. I used a worsted weight yarn and number 5mm hook, and you can see this beautiful texture. If you're ready, let's get started. Start the work with making one slip knot and then start chaining. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Make these chains a little bit loosely and repeat making chains in each number you want, and continue making these chains so that the length of them reach desired circumference of your head. So I will repeat making these chains to reach circumference of my head. Okay, after making all chains, we're gonna start the first row. So skip the first chain and go to the second chain and turn the work to see the back bump of this loop behind these two loops of the next chain here, and make one single crochet into that. Insert the hook under the back bump of the stitch, pull up a loop and yarn over, pull through two loops. Now we're gonna make one herringbone single crochet into each of next chains. So for making the herringbone single crochet, insert the hook under this left loop of these two loops from the post of the first single crochet here, and after that go to the back bump of next chain and pull up a loop, and then we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them. Again we have 2 loops at the post of this herringbone stitch. Under these 2 loops at top of that here, insert the hook into the left loop of that, and after that turn the work and insert hook into the back bump of next chain, pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them. Again go to the left loop of the post of the same herringbone stitch here, and then go to the back bump of next chain, pull up a loop and yarn over, pull through 3 loops, and repeat this work. Go to the left loop of each herringbone and then go to the back bump of next chain, pull up a loop and then yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook, and continue making herringbone single crochets in this way until reach the end. Okay, row 1 is finished. I made a herringbone single crochet into the back bump of each chain. Now start row 2 with making 1 chain and then turn the work. In this row we're gonna make one reverse herringbone single crochet into each stitch of previous round. First make one single crochet in this way, insert the hook from behind of the working yarn under 2 loops of the first stitch and under the 3rd loop of that. Here we have 3 loops, 1 and 2 and 3. These 2 loops are at top of the stitch and this loop is behind the stitch. Okay, from behind of the working yarn, insert the hook under 2 loops and under this 3rd loop, and then grab the yarn and pull it to the back. We have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through both of them. After that turn the work and see this loop of the post of the stitch here, and insert the hook under that, and then from behind of the working yarn go to the next stitch under 2 loops of that and under the 3rd loop of that, and then grab the yarn, pull it to the back. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops, and that's a reverse herringbone single crochet. Again, insert the hook under the left loop of the post of the same herringbone, reverse herringbone, and then from behind of the working yarn, not here, here, insert the hook into the next stitch under 2 loops and the 3rd loop of that, and wrap the yarn under the hook and pull it up, and then yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook. Again, insert the hook under this loop, the left loop of the same stitch, or the right loop in this side here, and then go to the next stitch under 2 loops of that and into the 3rd loop, pull up a loop, and then yarn over, pull through, 3 loops, and continue making reverse herringbone single crochet into each stitch of previous row in the same way to reach the end. Okay, now I'm at the end of row 2. Make a chain and turn the work to the other side, and this side is the right side of our headband, and you can see this beautiful pattern at this side. In these 2 rows, row 1 and row 2, we have diagonal lines in 2 opposite direction. In the first row, these lines are from right to left, and in the row 2, these lines are from left to right, and these lines are in 2 opposite direction. And after that, we should repeat these 2 rows for the next rows. After making 1 chain, turn the work to the right side and start row 3 with making 1 usual single crochet into the first stitch. So insert the hook under 3 loops of the first stitch, 2 loops at top of that and 3rd loop at behind that, and make 1 single crochet. And after that, start making herringbone single crochets into left loop of the same stitch and under 3 loops of the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook. Again, go to the left loop of the same stitch and then go to the next stitch under 3 loops of that and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops. And continue this work. Work 1 herringbone single crochet in this way into each stitch of previous row. And when we reach the end of the row, again, make a chain and turn the work to the back side of the work and make reverse herringbone single crochet into each stitch of previous row. Actually, we should repeat these 2 rows, row 2 and row 3, several times to reach desired height for the crochet headband. I made 12 rows of herringbone stitches in total, and now this is my work. That's the right side of the headband, and this is the back side of that. And at the end, I made a chain and cutted the yarn, leaving a long tail. And now the height of my headband is 9 centimeters, 9.5 centimeters. Okay, and that's enough for me. You can add some rows if you want to have a higher headband, but that's enough for me. And now I'm going to join these two short edges of the headband together with right side facing me. So place these two short edges side to side and then fold each of them so that the right side of the pattern is placed between two pieces of each side. Repeat the work for other edge. And then I'm going to place these two sides in this way. Place the lower piece of right edge between two pieces of the left edge, and then place the top piece from the right side at top of all of these three edges, three pieces, 1, 2, 3. And now we have 4 pieces in total, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to sew these 4 pieces together to form a twisted shape at the forehead. Okay, so with a needle, sew all of these edges together. And you can again repeat the work one more time. And at the end, cut the yarn and hide the beginning tail and the ending tail through the stitches, and then turn the work to the right side. And now you have a twisted shape at the front of the headband. Form that with your hands. Push the center of the twisted shape to the front, and now here is our beautiful and very easy crochet headband. I hope you like this video and make this beautiful headband and use that. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.